Today we're in the Haven Lighting showroom, and we're going to be talking about uplighting. Specifically, the differences between bulbs and integrated fixtures, and the pros and cons of each one. Hi, this is Chris with Haven Lighting. We're going to be covering the 3 most popular types of fixtures on the market today, so you can be informed and know exactly what you're buying. The first fixture we'll cover is a bulb style fixture. These fixtures were created a long time ago before LEDs and were the premier fixture before the LED was created. Very reminiscent of a light bulb. On the other extreme, we have a completely integrated fixture where the LED board is non-accessible and completely integrated into the housing. The middle style option really gives you the best of all worlds. It is an integrated fixture with a replaceable module inside. Now let's go over why this is the biggest advantage. The most important thing about LEDs is managing heat. And while the bulb has been around for a very long time, its design was not to manage heat. Its design was really taken after the traditional light bulb. And it used traditional bulbs that were already on the market when the landscape lighting fixtures were designed. This bulb does not do a great job at managing heat, and therefore it's limited in the light output capability, generally speaking, and its ability to reduce heat. Now, what does heat do to an LED? It reduces its life. So the hotter the LED gets over the time, the more it will dim its brightness over time and ultimately fail. So reducing heat is a key to the lighting design specifically when we're talking about LED fixtures. So bulb, easily replaceable, that's its advantage. The disadvantage is it does a terrible job at eliminating heat because there's no heat transfer. There's nowhere for that heat to go. It's encapsulated in the fixture, and the only metal contact you have are these 2 pins here that are connected to the wire inside. The integrated fixture does a really good job at transferring heat, and the way it does that is the integrated fixture board inside here is directly connected to the housing. So you're using the entire housing as a mechanism to transfer heat, which gives you tons of surface area to allow that heat to escape and then manage the heat of the LED board. Really, the best of all worlds is the replaceable integrated module that does a great job at connecting the LED board to the fixture itself, therefore allowing the heat to transfer out of the fixture into the air through the fixture itself using the entire surface area, but yet also allows for a replaceable module. So if that module goes bad or fails, you can replace it just like a light bulb. As you're looking to buy lighting, whether it's white lighting or technically advanced color lighting, we hope this information helps you make the right choice. As always, subscribe to us, and thanks for watching.